Care homes at the heart of the coronavirus pandemic as the government reveals more than 2,000 homes in England have cases. We hear urgent calls for more support.
We have very large numbers of people in care homes who are passing away, who are exhibiting Covid-19 symptoms, but who aren't being classified as having the coronavirus because they haven't been tested.
A review of lockdown measures in the coming days, but the Foreign Secretary says there'll be no early relaxation of the restrictions.
More questions around the government's economic support schemes. Labour wants daily updates on take-up as it's revealed less than 2% of businesses have successfully received loans.
A turnaround at Tottenham as they reverse their decision to use the government's job retention scheme and agree to pay all their staff their full salaries.
Another 3 weeks of lockdown is the headline from The Times. The paper says the announcement will be made by the government on Thursday. And there's also a picture of a 5-month-old baby, Amanda, who was discharged from hospital after treatment for the virus.
No. The Guardian are claiming the UK missed 3 chances to join the EU scheme to bulk buy protective kit for NHS staff. The government has previously said it did not receive an invitation to the scheme. That's what the paper adds to that story.
The Sun's front page carries a thank you message from England's chief nursing officer. Ruth May says families who stayed at home during the Easter weekend made a real difference in helping to save lives. Now, the coronavirus has brought many activities to a grinding halt over the last few weeks. Sadly not, though, fly tipping.
Illegal dumping of waste has been increasing since many recycling centres were closed down to avoid spreading Covid-19. This according to the creators of a new app which tracks fly tipping, as Duncan Kennedy can explain.
Just look at the state of this.
One infuriated reaction to fly tipping.
And this is what people have done.
It's the voice of Donna Pottle, outside the London Midland Railway Club she helps run in Wolverhampton, bearing witness to this deluge of detritus. The club's own CCTV shows some of the actual dumping taking place. Out comes a sofa, then other chunks of furniture.
What would your message to these people be?
If you don't want that mess in your garden, don't make somebody else's a mess. It's unfair. Stop fly tipping. You're a disgrace.
This pile is in Hampshire. Ever since councils closed waste sites for Covid-19, illegal dumping has escalated. A new app logs fly tipping around Britain. Its creator says cases have soared. Another concerned citizen filmed this from his flat.
It's disgusting, mate.
But whether it's Birmingham or Burnley, no wonder residents are angry when they see this.
I think it's just laziness because
Councils say they had to close official waste sites to protect workers and the public, and say the rise in fly tipping is unacceptable. Back in Wolverhampton, Donna surveys her eyesore with a message.
If you dare, carry on.
And a warning.
But we'll get you without a shadow of a doubt.
And elderly people who've died with coronavirus in nursing homes have been airbrushed out of the official death toll. That is according to senior figures in the care industry.
Outbreaks of the virus have now been detected at more than 2,000 care homes in England. 13 residents at one home in County Durham have died, along with 9 others at a specialist dementia home in Nottinghamshire. A spokesperson for the Department of Health and Social Care said the government was determined to give the sector the support that it needs.
There's so many things that we're doing differently, aren't there?
Yes.
We? And I rather feel like this is from inside the Times newspaper. And there are 2 actors, I think they live opposite each other in London. And they've begun to perform Shakespeare's greatest works by shouting lines from their windows.
Well, that's good. Do you think that would, how long would it be before you asked them to pipe down, do you think? Would that be nice?
I think it would be nice.
Cultural.
Look, so apparently, to the sceptics out there, the success of the performance has prompted the players to make it a weekly variety show for residents.
OK, that's all right. I'll take it once a week.
Once a week, there they go.